Let me tell you how Albert Einstein became, well, Einstein. Picture a quiet kid in Ulm, Germany, 1879. He talks late, prefers puzzles to people, gets handed a small brass compass at age 5. The needle wiggles and points to north, like magic. That invisible force? It hooks him for life. Turning point 1. The compass. It plants a question that never leaves. What hidden rules run the universe? School? Not his favorite. Rigid drills, memorize and repeat. He clashes with teachers, but at home he's devouring geometry books and playing violin. Music becomes his reset button, the place he thinks best. Turning point 2. Rebellion. He decides learning should feel like discovery, not discipline. So he bolts from a stifling German school system and heads to Switzerland, where education's more flexible. At 16, he sits a tough entrance exam for the Zurich Polytechnic. He crushes the math and physics, fails the rest. Ouch. Turning point 3. A miss that becomes momentum. He spends a year at a Swiss school, strengthens the weak spots, then passes. Lesson logged. Setbacks can be detours, not dead ends. He graduates, but no university wants him. No lab, no lectureship. He lands in a patent office in Bern, clocking inventions 9 to 5. Turning point 4. The boring job that frees his mind. Evenings, he meets with friends in a tiny discussion group. Mornings, he walks to work thinking about light, time, and space like they're characters in a thriller. 1905 hits. His miracle year. 4 papers. One explains why metal spits out electrons when lit. Hello, photoelectric effect. Another proves atoms are real via Brownian motion. Then he drops special relativity, where time and space flex together. And finally, E equals mc squared. Mass is frozen energy. Turning point 5. From clerk to contender. Overnight, he earns a PhD, grabs attention, and steps into academia at last. By 1915, he levels up with general relativity. Gravity isn't a pull, it's the curve of space-time. In 1919, a solar eclipse bends starlight exactly as he predicted. Headlines crown him a genius. Turning point 6. Fame. It opens doors and paints a target. Rising anti-Semitism pushes him out of Germany in 1933. He moves to the US, joins the Institute for Advanced Study, and keeps chasing unified theories. World events knock again. In 1939, worried the Nazis might build a bomb, he signs a letter urging the US to research nuclear chain reactions. It nudges history toward the Manhattan Project. After the war, he speaks out for peace, world cooperation, and civil rights. Turning point 7. Conscience. The same curiosity that explored the cosmos also asked, what should we do with what we know? He's offered the presidency of Israel. He declines. He'd rather think than govern. In 1955, he passes away, leaving equations that still steer GPS satellites and particle colliders, and a mindset that says question everything. So how did Albert E. come to be? A compass, a rebellion, a failed exam, a boring job, a miracle year, a theory that bent the universe, and a conscience that kept him human. Turning points don't just change a life, they can change the world.